Hey everybody, it's Teresa Robertson of Labrosa Realty. And for the last couple of days, I've been doing trainings off and on and meeting with other realtors, learning from them, and also trying to give back with some of the stuff that I know. So Monday, I trained with an agent on setting up their KV Core, working on their Facebook pages, and we're going to work again probably some more on Thursday on setting up her Facebook business page. And trying to put all these little pieces together. But one of the simplest things that I taught her was if you don't want to learn how to do the Facebook ad, doing the class, uploading the photos, all of that stuff, and there's an easier way to do it. So I'm going to flip the camera around. Actually, let me see. I'm going to put you guys on. Let's flip it first. I'm not sure if the words are going to be backwards to you. Nope, they're forwards. Okay. So what we're going to do is, I'm in the Realtors Helping Realtors. Now I had to block this out. I'm sorry, I don't have a way to block that out because the website that I'm going to teach you on is actually a training page. And then I'll show you guys where to log in. I'll also post it below the Facebook Live. I'll put it in the comments, the link that you guys need to click on. But when you come up to, let's see if I can restart this. So this is what the page looks like when you first start it. So instead of going through and learning how to build a Facebook page, have a Facebook manager, have an ads campaign, having to understand all of those steps, somebody has created this very simple walkthrough, and you literally just need a few details. So I thought I would walk you through how simple this is. So it's like a non-training training. It's basically just answering a few questions on this page, and you'll be able to do this yourself. Now let's see if I've got everything set up, because I just need my MLS. Let's go open up my MLS real quick. You guys have to do this too, so you can see how simple this is. Log in, do that. I'll go to my active listing because this is the one I'm gonna make the Facebook ad on. Okay, simple, simple, simple so far. So what are they asking you? Question number 1, open house just listed or recently reduced. So this one was just recently reduced. Okay. What is the property address? Only the street address. Okay. So it is 4067 Emilio, E-M-I-L-I-O. Sorry, I'm typing this with one hand. How about we do a capitalize Lane. Okay, so you hit the OK button. You guys still with me? So all we've done is choose new listing, reduce listing, or open house. That's super simple. It's our listing, so we know the address, right? So let's put in our city and state. Oh, I'm going to get this with one hand. Jacksonville, Florida. How many bedrooms? This one has 3 bedrooms. This one has 2 bathrooms. It's your listing. You better know how many bedrooms and bathrooms it has, right? All right, so now you can copy and paste the link to the property. So you can go get the one right out of the MLS. So how do you do that? You go to your MLS, you log in, you look up your listing. You should know how to do that. So I'm just kind of pointing out how simple this is. Go over to the share button. Can you guys see this share button? Click on that. Grab the permalink, okay? It's already highlighted, so copy with your mouse right here. Click this link, okay? Let's see if it copied it, just to be sure. Just make sure. We'll see. Try this again. Okay, I've got it copied. I'm gonna go paste it. All right, so it is pasted in there. We hit the OK button. Are you guys with me so far? How easy this is? Okay, so what is my name? Okay. You're a realtor, you have to put your whole name in there. Okay. All right. What cell phone number do we want? Now, if you have a special cell phone number that you want to use for receiving leads or texts, put that in, but most of us are going to put in our cell phone numbers. Regular one. Okay, put your little dashes in. Okay. What is the email address we should send these to? So, you can put in your email address that you want. I actually want these to feed directly into my CRM. So I'm going to show you guys where I go get this. Little trick here. Go into Lead Engine. Your CRM probably has this too. If you do not have KV Core, look, I just go to Lead Source. And then I hit copy because it's going to copy this special lead code. You guys can copy that too if you want all your leads to go into my CRM. All right, so I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go back to the page and I'm going to paste that in there. Again, this could be your standard email address. I could have just put teresasellsjacks@gmail.com. Okay, but I want these to automatically dump into my CRM. Okay, I'm going to hit submit now. That's it. Now, because I'm doing this on a demo board, this is actually does not bring up the credit card page. So when you guys do this, there will be a little credit card page here. And when that credit card page comes up, you just put your credit card in and it will, at the beginning of this, on the non-demo page, it asks you how many days you want to run this for. So when I teach the Facebook ads class, I'm teaching people to put anywhere from like $9 to $10 a day. So that's what this works out to, is $10 a day. So 3 days is $30, 5 days is $50, 7 is $70, and 10 is $100. Those are your options: 3, 5, 7, and 10. For an open house, you most likely only want to do 3 days, but for a listing or just reduced, you probably want to do the 5 or more days. Okay, so that was it for me. That's all I had to do. And again, if since this is a demo page, this would normally just have the little credit card page there. You put your credit card in and you'd be done. Then in order to find your ad, so once your ad hits Facebook, this company has automated for it to automatically dump into this Facebook page. So once I refresh it, you can now see the listing that I just put in. Recently reduced is what I chose. They already have the emojis because you guys know that we're supposed to be using emojis now to capture people's attentions. So this has already been put in here. This is the address I put in, 4067 Emilio Lane, Jacksonville, Florida. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. This link right here, this is what feeds directly into my CRM. So when people click on it, it goes right to my CRM. Okay. Put my phone number in there. And then here's my link to Flex MLS. You can put the link directly from your CRM. You could definitely do that. But I cannot think of any simpler fashion in order to get a Facebook ad up. This is it. Just a few steps, boom, and you're done. And again, it's the same cost doing it the other way that I was teaching. Now, granted, if you know how to do it yourself, then you could run these all the time. But this is just as simple. You still get the leads from it just like you would do if you did the long class that I do. So like I said, I just can't think of any simpler of a way to do this. Now I can show you this page. I just couldn't show you the demo page. So this is just buyersellyourhome.com. So all I do is go take the link address. You can either share from here using the share button, or you can go click on the see that date right there? It has a hyperlink. If you click on that, I don't know if you guys noticed, if you click on that, that will actually give you the address of that particular post. And you can go up here and copy it. I'm just going to copy it. And now I can go post this out to all my pages. So Control, for me it's Command C, but for Windows users it's Control C to copy it and Control V to paste it. For Mac, it's Command C, Command V. Okay. So once I hit enter, see it populates that post down there. Go up here, get rid of all this gobbledygook. You've got yourself a beautiful post that is already ready for Facebook. It's already Facebook optimized. Okay. Let's see. The other thing you can do is you can go back to, let me open up Facebook in another screen and we'll go get that text off the top of that ad. Got to give it a second to pop up. I've got some apps on here that get rid of political posts, so it takes a little bit longer to pop up than yours probably does. All right, so I'm going to go back here and I'm going to grab this text, copy it, paste that in. All right, so I've got my little emojis, I've got all the information, I've got the link, and I just hit post. Or of course, you can always hit the share button down here. So hit your share button, share it to a group, share it to your page, share it to a business page. Let's go share this to my business page. And I like to click on this include original post because I want it to keep that hyperlink intact. Okay. So I'm going to go up here and click on the page I want it to show to, which is my real estate page. Okay. All right, and then I'll just check my I'll check my CRM throughout the day to see if I have any new leads coming in, and then I will go through my process that I normally do when I get a new lead. If you guys have any questions about that, what I do, what I hashtag them, what do I follow up with, just let me know. Even if you're not using kvCore, you might be able to use that information for, modifying your CRM. So I hope that helps you. This will be up on YouTube very soon. And you'll be able to share this out with your friends. And let me know if I can be of any help to you personally. Thanks a lot. Catch you later.